Hello, in this video, we simply wanted to talk about the technology that we used in our presentation and how it was done. So I'm going to just start out by talking about the different features within a Google Slide presentation. So using Google Slides, and I do know that Microsoft PowerPoint has the same options as well, you can have add-ons. Now, add-ons are things that are additional features that you can choose to insert in. Now, before I show you the add-on I use to have you do the quadrant mapping, I want to talk about something. First thing you need to know is that you need to have your district or your school building's permission before you do add-ons. Actually, some of them limit what add-ons you can have, and they have selected ones already for you. So talk with your district admin, talk with your IT department, have them work with you. Now, for the one that I added on and we used for our quadrant mapping, where you were able to select which quadrant you're in, or were able to place where you were in the state, I used Poll Everywhere. Now, this is an add-on. It's an extension. So if you go to polleverywhere.com, you can actually click the button that says extensions and it will add it directly to Google for you. Get your district's permission first, however. Now, once you have it added, it will come here. Now mine says Poll Everywhere there. I simply click on it and I can either do new activity or I can insert an activity. I'm going to start one from scratch. So I'm inserting an activity. And these are all the options that I have just right away. I do have a paid account. With the free account, most of these are still available. So multiple choice, word cloud, competition, true or false, open-ended, ranking, question answer, self-paced survey, untitled. Now, the one we did was clickable image. That's what I used for the quadrant mapping. You'll notice there's other ones, and they have some pre-ones done for you. So you can choose some of these. So the blank activities, I'm doing the quadrant. I'm doing the clickable image. You push edit, give it a title. Okay. I could choose this image, but I'm actually pick my own. So I'm going to delete. They have a couple here for me, but I'm going to upload. I took a screenshot of my image earlier today. There we go. Uploading. There's my map. Now I need to choose my settings. Change answers. Yes, I want you to be able to change your answers. Don't care about limiting. Anonymous participation, I'm turning on. You may not want to with students. Do you want to restrict? If you restrict, they have to sign up for an account that you authorized. And from the web. Yes, so all those are accurate. Next, I always change my visual settings. I'm not a huge fan of just the classic. I prefer dark. That's just my choice. So I'm gonna push save. And then you just click insert. Now this works with your Poll Everywhere account, paid or free. Your account will each have a unique code that goes with it. So when you're ready, you push present, and then it will automatically pop up for you and give you the instructions. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, but hope that's a quick tutorial. Don't forget, there are other tools out there as well that do the same. So you can use Google My Maps, where you have a map and you can have students place with more information. And there's a few more too. So whatever is your preference. Hope that helps.